guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I wanted to show you my routine of, I guess, getting unready. So like taking off my makeup, what I wash my face with, what products I apply. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys that today. Okay, so how I usually take off my makeup is I use the makeup remover cleansing towelettes from Equate Beauty. So these are like the knockoff of like the Neutrogena wipes. These are like the Walmart brand. So I just take one of these, and guys, let me tell you, it's been a long day. I've had this makeup on forever, so I'm very ready to take it off. But I just, you know, take off my makeup, make sure to get my neck, around my face. And then I try not to rub my eyes too hard. These aren't the best like wipes for taking off all of your eye makeup. So if it's a day that I wore a lot of eye makeup, I normally go in with something afterwards, but I didn't wear too much eye makeup today, so it's not a problem. Okay, so after that step is done and I finished taking off all my makeup, what I do is I go into the bathroom and I am going to wash my face. So let's go there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Dermalogica Dermal Clay Cleanser. This is just what I've been using recently. I bought a trial size because I wanted to test it out. So this is what I've been using to wash my face. And I just normally do a little squirt on my hand, about that much or less. And I don't do this every day, but I do it every like other day or every third day. And I use a scrub. So this is the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. I love this scrub. It is so nice and just like relaxing. It doesn't have like super big beads in it or anything. They're like tiny and I love it. And I don't do a face mask every night either, but tonight I'm going to. I'm just going to be using the Freeman avocado and oatmeal clay mask. And what I love to use this with is I think this has made applying masks so much easier for me. I just use the e.l.f. little mask tool and I really have been loving it to put on masks. Okay, and now I just wait until it dries so I can take it off. Okay, after I've taken that mask off, I just go into my Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I love this stuff. It is so nice, so refreshing, so wonderful. So I just take this and then I spray it all over my face. I love the smell of cucumbers. It is so refreshing. And then I let this dry a minute. Sometimes what I will do instead of letting it dry down on its own is I take my hands and I lightly press it into my skin. Next, what I go into after that is a facial serum. I've been using the vitamin C serum by the brand Natural Oleology. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it looks like this. And I got this from TJ Maxx and I really do enjoy it. So what I just do is I get a little bit in the dropper and then I just put some on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. I just take my clean fingers and massage that oil into my skin. And then before I do anything else, I wait for this to sink into my skin for a good 5 minutes. Okay, so after that has soaked into my skin, I go into the Yes to Grapefruit Correcting Repair Dark Circle Correcting Eye Cream. Wow, it looks like this. I talked about this before on my channel a while ago, but this is what it looks like. I like to do this before I put on my moisturizer just because I feel like it sinks in better without the extra veil of something underneath my eyes. I don't know if it's a true thing, I just believe it. So I like to just focus this right underneath my eyes, and then because it is for like a dark circle like correcting cream, I also like to put it on my lids because my lids have a lot of purple like discoloration on them, so I like to just put it up there too. And after my eye cream is on, I go into my moisturizer. Now this is a new purchase for me. I wanted to try this out because I've heard that the Moisture Balm from Garnier is really good. And then they came out with this one, which is a whole lot cheaper. So I thought I might try this. And it's like a gel kind of moisturizer, which I'm really into because I feel like it's really good for oily skin. I don't know how I feel about it. I've been using it for about a couple weeks now. It's supposed to be for like normal and combo skin, and I think it said it was supposed to smell like cucumbers or something, but I'm not kidding you when I say that this just smells like alcohol, like pure alcohol. And I wanted to see like what the first, like the top ingredient was. It doesn't say anywhere on the packaging, and I threw away the box for it a long time ago, so I can't, but I guess I can look it up online. I don't know why I haven't done that. I'll do that. But anyway, I just put a generous amount on my face and then I blend it in with my fingers. And I also like to bring it down onto my neck because, you know, I have like those necklines, you know, the creases and stuff, and they say if you put moisturizer on it, it's supposed to help them go away, so I've been doing that. Alright guys, and here is the finishing of my night routine, I guess. The last thing I normally do before I go to bed is obviously brush my teeth, and then I always put on a lip balm because my lips are always extremely chapped. So that is it for my Get Unready With Me video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you have any video ideas for me, please just let me know down below. It would be really helpful. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and I hope you are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!